Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the LUNA 2.0 token. Now the LUNA 2.0 token just got listed on CoinMarketCap maybe about 2 days ago or so. Ticker symbol is LUNA 2.0. Today they are up 20.52%, doing very well today. I think yesterday they were doing very poorly though, but today they're off to a good start. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, LUNA 2.0. So LUNA and then space 2.0 is the name of the token. LUNA 2.0, all one word, is the ticker symbol. Now this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. You can find their Etherscan listed on CoinMarketCap. According to their Etherscan right now, 741 holders, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 5,820,000,000,000 tokens, 9,429 transfers so far. Now you can check out their socials. They have a Telegram at LUNA2.0, 309 subscribers so far, so you can check that out. They also have a Twitter. Their Twitter is at LUNA2.0. You can find the contract address also available on CoinMarketCap. Their webpage, LUNA2.online. You can also find the price chart, all that type of stuff available on CoinMarketCap. 24-hour trading volume today is $40,417. Fully diluted market cap, $74,698, and market cap is $59,161. Now, if you're looking to get this token, all you'd have to do, since this is an Ethereum token, you'd fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the LUNA 2.0 token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their Etherscan, which is on CoinMarketCap, or their official webpage, LUNA2.online. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. It looks like there is 1% tax on buys and sells, so you probably have to set your slippage around 1%. It says a 2.0 story with a revamped team and success mission. LUNA 2.0 is built with a strong community that is driven towards a growth path programmed in the meme space of decentralized finance, with a renounced hard-coded Solidity contract. LUNA 2.0 follows a 1-in-1 tax mechanism. This means that for every transaction, a fixed percentage is allocated to holders without being taxed over 1% of the slippage amount. There is no better redemption story than a second version of LUNA that aims for success. Now, obviously, there's been a ton of LUNA tokens come out since the original LUNA token had all those issues. But yeah, this is the 2.0. There might even have been another 2.0 token come out in the past. So whether you missed LUNA's pump in 2021 or you lost out on LUNA in 2022, this is your second chance to make it all right with the LUNA 2.0 redemption story. They have a link to their DEX tools chart on their webpage, as well as a buy button, contract address, their socials. It says, don't frown upon missing out on the other 2.0 tokens. I mean, there's definitely a lot of 2.0 tokens to choose from right now, but, you know, Doge, Floki, Shiba, I think SHIB 2.0, there's a couple different SHIB 2.0s, but those were trending heavily on Twitter today, I believe. Yeah, whether you missed out on the other ones, there's no better redemption story. It says, no Kwon, no weird burns, no classic, no relaunch, just Luna 2.0. A massive incubation is incoming with a team of 10 times the quality of Luna, the original Luna token. Join a strong community and grow the path with hashtag Luna2. So it says for tokenomics here, 95% of the tokens go to the liquidity pool, and the remaining 5% are set out for partnerships and central exchange listings. It says Seifu, renounce contract, liquidity lock. We're going to check the security actually on this token here in 1 second. It says if you want to email us, it's info@luna2.online. Join the Luna 2.0 revolution and pave the way for financial freedom with a 2.0. So yeah, check out their socials there. But yes, we're going to go over, if you click on their DEX tools chart, they always have a Go Plus security link on DEX tools, which is a great feature here. So it tells you the holders, total transactions, all the same things basically that CoinMarketCap and their Etherscan are going to tell you, how many holders. Right now they have almost 7 pooled ETH in their liquidity pool. So they have a 44 out of 99 DEXed score, which isn't very high. But let's check out the Go Plus security measures here. So it does say their buy tax is 1-in-1. There says no honeypot. It says contract is verified. Contract is renounced. So all sorts of good stuff there. Pretty much all the things have no warnings. Like it says no blacklisting, no whitelisting. Tax is not modifiable, cannot pause transfers. They're all good. Can't mint new tokens, all that stuff. Proxy contract and token is not found. The only warning, it says people can make an unlimited number of transactions. So that's not the worst warning. It has a community trust vote of 91.5%. So yeah, a lot of good community trust there. So yeah, nothing real sketchy or anything that I could see. They don't have a full audit or full KYC or any of that stuff yet. You know, no full CertiK audit and stuff like that. So just be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.